Greetings, dear family. Today, we'll delve into the world of Meizu's latest model, the Meizu 21, exploring every detail from design to performance. Welcome to this comprehensive review video. Let's dive into the enchanting universe of Meizu 21 together. The Meizu 21 presents itself with a unique design philosophy. Thin bezels, a glass back, and a sturdy metal frame blend aesthetics and durability. The camera arrangement is not just functional but also offers a visually captivating experience. Featuring a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, the phone provides an impressive visual experience. High-resolution, vibrant colors, and deep blacks elevate every type of content. Additionally, the screen's high brightness ensures a comfortable view even in outdoor settings. The Meizu 21 is equipped with a powerful processor. The processor ensures quick responsiveness, high gaming performance, and smooth multitasking. The Meizu 21's camera setup includes 3 rear cameras catering to a variety of photographic needs. High resolutions, various shooting modes, and advanced software features make the Meizu 21 an ideal tool for immortalizing every moment. The fast charging feature allows you to quickly replenish energy, making your day more efficient. The Meizu 21 impresses with its blend of elegance and power, satisfying user expectations with both functionality and aesthetics. I hope this detailed review video proves enlightening for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to your comments. Until the next video, take care.